Hi, this is Michael Ingworth from Robinson's Integrated Solutions. Just received our first Suprema Face Station 2 for one of our customers. So I'm just going to unbox it here now. So this is the wall-mounted version, as you can see there. Plastic. These aren't IP rated for outside, so these are only for internal use only. So there's the camera and the LEDs for the night vision. LCD screen there. This one has also a proximity reader on the top as well. Looks okay. So we're gonna fit this next week. So I'll let you know how we get on.